Hi, welcome you all to Concepts Hub. In this video, we are going to discuss appointments related to governors and ministers which has taken place recently. So let us start. Who has been appointed as the new governor of Karnataka? I'll give you 2 seconds to answer. And the answer is Thawarchand Gehlot. The governor of Karnataka is Thawarchand Gehlot. We'll move to next question. Who has been appointed as the governor of Goa? And the options are, give you 2 seconds to answer. And the answer is P.S. Sridharan Pillai. The option here is D. P.S. Sridharan Pillai. Next, who has been appointed as the governor of Haryana? And the answer is Bandaru Dattatreya. The option here is B. Bandaru Dattatreya. Next, who has been appointed as the governor of Madhya Pradesh? We'll give the options. And the answer is Mangubhai Chenganbhai Patel. Here the option is C. Mangubhai Chenganbhai Patel. Next, who has been appointed as the governor of Mizoram? I'll give the options. And the answer is Haribabu Kambampati. Haribabu Kambampati is the option here. Next, who has been appointed as the governor of Himachal Pradesh? Give the options. Wait for 2 seconds to answer. And the answer is Rajendran Vishwanath Arlekar. So the option here is C. Rajendran Vishwanath Arlekar. Next, who has been appointed as the governor of Jharkhand? Here are the options. And the governor of Jharkhand is Ramesh Bias. So the option here is B. Ramesh Bias. Next, who has been appointed as the governor of Tripura? I'll wait for 2 seconds to answer. So the governor of Tripura is Satyadev Narayan Arya. So here the option is A. Satyadev Narayan Arya. Next, who is the minister for Ministry of Defense? Who is the minister for Ministry of Defense? So I'll give you the options and wait for 2 seconds to answer it. The Minister of Defense is Shri Rajnath Singh. So the option here is A. Rajnath Singh. Next, who is the minister for newly created Ministry of Cooperation? So here are the options. And the answer is Amit Shah. He is also the Home Minister. He is also the Home Minister. So we'll move to the next question. Who is the minister for Ministry of Road Transport and Highways? Road Transport and Highways. And the answer is Nitin Jairam Gadkari. So here the option is D. Next, who is the minister for Ministry of Corporate Affairs? Ministry of Corporate Affairs. And the answer is Srimati Nirmala Sitaraman. So here the option is D, and she is also the Finance Minister. Finance Minister. Next, who is the minister for Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare? Minister of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. And the answer is Shri Narendra Singh Tomar. So the option here is A. Narendra Singh Tomar is the Minister for Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. Next. Who is the Minister for Ministry of External Affairs? The Minister for Ministry of External Affairs is Dr. Subramaniam Jaishankar. So here the option is C. Dr. Subramaniam Jaishankar. Next. Who is the Minister for Ministry of Tribal Welfare or Tribal Affairs? So here are the options. And the answer is Shri Arjun Munda. He is the Minister of Tribal Affairs. Next. Who is the Minister for Ministry of Women and Child Development? And the answer is Srimati Smriti Zubin Irani. So here the option is A. Next. Who is the Minister for Ministry of Commerce and Industry? Ministry of Commerce and Industry. And the answer is Sri Piyush Goyal. Okay. He holds additional portfolio of consumer affairs. He holds the additional portfolio of consumer affairs, food and public distribution, and Minister of Textiles. Okay, so we'll move to next question. Who is the new Education Minister of India? New Education Minister. And the answer is Sri Dharmendra Pradhan. So here the option is B. He holds additional portfolio of skill development, and entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship. Next. Who is the Minister for Minister of Parliamentary Affairs? Minister of Parliamentary Affairs. And the answer is Prahalad Joshi. Here the option is C. Prahalad Joshi. He holds additional portfolio of coal, Minister of Coal and Minister of Mines also. Minister of Coals and Mines also. Additional portfolio. Next. Who is the Minister for Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises? And the answer is Sri Narayan Tatu Rane. So the option here is B. Narayan Tatu Rane. Next. Who is the new Minister for Ministry of Ayush? Okay. Here's are the option. So the answer is Ayush. Sri Sarbananda Sonowal. So option C is the right answer. And he also holds additional portfolio of ports, shipping and waterways. Waterways. Next. Who is the Minister for Ministry of Minority Affairs? So here are the options. And the answer is Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi. So option A is the answer. Next. Who is the Minister for Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment? Social Justice and Empowerment. And the answer is Dr. Virendra Kumar. Dr. Virendra Kumar is the Minister of Social Justice and Empowerment. Next. Who is the Minister for Ministry of Panchayat Raj? Who is the Minister for Panchayati Raj? So the answer is Sri Giriraj Singh. Sri Giriraj Singh is the Minister of Panchayat Raj. He also holds the additional portfolio of rural development. Rural development. Just keep this in mind. Next. Who is the Minister for Ministry of Civil Aviation? Civil Aviation. And the answer is Sri Jyotiraditya M. Scindia. So here the option is D, is the Minister for Civil Aviation. Next. Who is the Minister for Ministry of Steel? Who is the Minister for Ministry of Steel? And the answer is Sri Ramchandra Prasad Singh. Sri Ramchandra Prasad Singh is the Minister of Steel. Next. Who is the Minister for Ministry of Railways? Ministry of Railways. And the answer is Sri Ashwini Vaishnav. So the option here is B, Ashwini Vaishnav. He also holds the additional portfolio of communications and electronics and information technology. Electronics and information technology. Okay, we'll move to next question. Who is the Minister for Ministry of Food Processing Industries? Ministry of Food Processing Industries. So the answer here is Sri Pashupati Kumar Paras. So here the option is D, Pashupati Kumar Paras. He is the Minister of Food Processing Industries. Next, who is the Minister for Ministry of Jal Shakti? Ministry of Jal Shakti. And the answer is Sri Gajendra Singh Shekhawat. So here the option is C, Gajendra Singh Shekhawat. Next, who is the Minister for Ministry of Law and Justice? Ministry of Law and Justice. And the answer is Sri Kiran Rijiju. So here the option is A. Next, who is the Minister for Ministry of New and Renewable Energy? New and Renewable Energy. And the answer is Rajkumar Singh. Shri Rajkumar Singh. So the option here is D, Rajkumar Singh. And he also holds additional portfolio of power, Minister of Power. So we'll move to next question. Who is the Minister for Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas? Minister of Petroleum and Natural Gas. Here are the options. And the answer is Sri Hardeep Singh Puri. Sri Hardeep Singh Puri is the Minister of Petroleum and Natural Gas. He also holds the additional portfolio of Housing and Urban Affairs. Housing and Urban Affairs. Urban Affairs. Okay. Next. Who is the new Ministry of Health and Family Welfare Education? Who is the new Minister of Health and Family Welfare? And the answer is Sri Mansukh Mandavia. So here the option is A, Mansukh Mandavia. He also holds the additional portfolio of chemicals and fertilizers. Chemicals and fertilizers. So we'll move to next question. Who is the Minister for Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change? Environment, Forest and Climate Change. So the answer is Sri Bhupendra Yadav. Bhupendra Yadav is the answer here. So the option here is C, Bhupendra Yadav. He also holds the additional portfolio of Minister of Labor and Employment. Labor and Employment. Next, who is the minister for Ministry of Heavy Industries? Ministry of Heavy Industries. And the answer is Dr. Mahendranath Pandey. So here the option is D. Dr. Mahendranath Pandey is the Minister of Heavy Industries. Next, who is the Minister for Ministry of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairy? These are the options. And the answer is Sri Purushottam Rupala. Purushottam Rupala is the answer. So here the option is C. Next, who is the Minister for Ministry of Tourism? Ministry of Tourism. And the answer is Shri G. Kishan Reddy is the answer. So option here is C. And he also holds the additional portfolio of Culture, Minister of Culture and Minister of Development of Northeastern Region. Northeastern Region. Next, who is the Minister for Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports? Youth Affairs and Sports. And the answer is Sri Anurag Singh Thakur. So the option here is D. Anurag Singh Thakur. He also holds the additional portfolio of Minister of Information and Broadcasting. Information and Broadcasting. Broadcasting. Next, who is the Minister of State, independent charge of Ministry of Planning? Okay, Minister of Planning, independent charge. So these are the options. So, and the answer is Rao Indrajit Singh. So Rao Indrajit. So here the option is C. He also holds the additional charge of Ministry of Statistics Program Implementation. Independent charge only. Statistics and program implementation and Ministry of State in Corporate Affairs. Corporate Affairs. Okay. State Corporate Affairs. Next. Who is the Minister of State, independent charge for the Ministry of Earth Science? Earth Science. And the answer is Dr. Jitendra Singh. So here the option is A. Dr. Jitendra Singh. He also holds the additional charge of independent only Ministry of Science and Technology. Science and Technology. Ministry of State, Personal, Public Grievance and Pension. And pension. Okay. Also, Department of Atomic Energy and Minister of State in Department of Space also. Department of Space. Yeah, we'll move to the next question. Who is the Minister of State in the Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways? And the answer is Shripal S.O. Naik. So the option here is C. Shripal. He also holds the Ministry of State in the Tourism. Okay, Tourism. Minister of State. Tourism. Additional portfolio. Next. Who is the Minister of State in the Ministry of Rural Development? And the answer is Sri Fagan Singh Kulaste. So option here is D. He also holds the additional portfolio of Ministry of State Steel. Minister of State in the Ministry of Steel. Next. Who is the Minister of State in the Ministry of Jal Shakti? And the answer is Shri Prahalad Singh Patil. So here option is A, and holds additional charge of Minister of State in the Ministry of Food Processing Industries. Food Processing Industries. Okay. Next. Who is the Minister of State in the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change? So the answer is Shri Ashwini Kumar Chaubey. So here the option is A, Ashwini Kumar Chaubey. He also holds the additional portfolio of Consumer Affairs, Minister of State. Okay, Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, Food and Public Distribution, Public Distribution. Next, who is the Minister of State in the Ministry of Culture? And the answer is Sri Arjun Ram Meghwal. Sri Arjun Ram Meghwal. So A is the option. He also holds additional portfolio of Minister of State in the Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs. Parliamentary Affairs. Okay, we'll move to next question. Who is the chairman of HDFC Life Insurance Company Limited? And the answer is Deepak Parekh. So option A is the answer. Deepak Parekh is the chairman of HDFC Life Insurance Company Limited. Next, who has been reappointed as the managing director and chief executive officer of Federal Bank for a period of 3 years? And the answer is Shyam Srinivasan. So here the option is A, Shyam Srinivasan. Next, who has been appointed as a grievance officer for India by WhatsApp? And the answer is Paresh B. Lal. He has been appointed as a grievance officer for India by WhatsApp. Paresh B. Lal. Next, who has been appointed as a resident grievance officer for India by Twitter? And the answer is Vinay Prakash. So the option here is C, Vinay Prakash. Next, who has been appointed as the grievance officer for India by Facebook? And the answer is Spurti Priya. So here the option is A, Spurti Priya. So these questions could be important from the exam point of view. Next, thank you. If you like our videos, please subscribe to Concepts Hub. Have a great day.